Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this tutorial we're going to see that how you can add money or how you can add check to your Cash App account. So let's get started. So as you know, Cash App has been very popular in the US and UK. Everybody's been using it, and yeah, you can make a lot of transaction, and you can make transaction and receive money and basically send money, and you know, it's pretty easy, and there are no limit to its usage, so it's been very popular. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add money to this app, so your Cash App basically. So first thing that you need to do is, if you look at the left bottom corner, there is a home icon, right? What you need to do is click on that. Once you click on that, now here is the home screen or the dashboard of basically your Cash App. Now as you can see, this is a demo account, so there is no balance still in the Cash App, right? So now how you can add check or cash into this app, or money into this app. So the first thing that you need to do is scroll down, and then you'll see that more ways to add money. And now what you're going to do is you're going to basically, there are multiple options through which you can add money into your Cash App account. So you can go and pay for money. Basically, there are places where you can basically go and deposit these money. So there are pretty much different places, Walmart and stuff, where they have like this method where you can pay them and they will add it into your Cash App, right? Then there is from a debit card, you can basically add cash from a debit card, and that can be auto add cash. Basically you can add cash into your Cash App, basically add money into your Cash App basically after weekly interval, monthly interval, right? Or 15 days interval, you can add money into your Cash App. And then there is direct, right, where you can just directly go and pay check and other payments, and you will receive the money in your Cash App, right? And then there is bank transfer. The most famous one, which most people probably do, is the bank transfer. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can add, and as you can see that you can cover up to 250,000, right? So that's how you can add money or transfer fund into your Cash App account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like. If you're facing any kind of problem, if you have any question, please feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, please subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.